Blessed love family, what's up, what y'all doing today? Well, today I am vlogging from the grounds of the Tax Administration Jamaica. So it's a revenue service center and it's right here in May Pen, because you know we are in May Pen, which is no playpen. And family, I've got to keep you updated with what's popping, what's going on. So right now we're here at the tax office and we're just getting things done with regards to registration, because as you know, your road tax and everything for your motor vehicle, we do it here. So I'm just gonna go inside now and see Ras and see Mom, because this is where we're at. But I'm here and I'm just covering some vlogs for you today. Blessed love, yeah. Say hello to the vlog. This is Mama.
Hey Mom.
Say, Mommy, yeah.
Hi Mom. I always love you.
I know we come to do. What we come to do? Come on here. You tell me.
I don't know.
You know the tax office, either you pay tax to the government or you pay if you get something done. But not give out yourself. We don't know. Oh, you putting on glasses now? That are the three.
Yeah.
Look on our people.
Fix up with business.
Fix up with business.
Yeah.
Alright.
Jamaica, no problem.
Alright, give thanks.
Get all the money. Give government all the money. All the money of the government. Alright. That's it.
Yes.
We have the word.
We have the word.
That's it.
Alright, give
Go
thanks.
so.
Go so. When I hear you, man. So listen now, we're going over to Ras now. Ras is in the queue. Alright, blessed love family, blessed love. Rasta. Taxes have to be paid. See the government scheme.
I know we're going the world.
Life is so much more than what you're thinking of. God not giving up for every one of us. People carry on.
Alright, so Ras and I are wearing identical t-shirts. We are wearing the Emperor today. Right, Rasta?
Yeah, Mom.
Give thanks and praise, family. So this is where we are. Like I said, we're in the tax office and you know what going here, so. We go in the tax office, we don't get nothing here, so. We have to give away something here, so. I don't know what are the people. Give thanks and praise, man. Blessed love. We're out. And like always, we have to try and cover as much grounds as we can whenever we are here in Jamaica. And that's what we're doing today, covering grounds and getting things done. Like always, you know we come and we keep a close connection with y'all, and that's a must. If you love Jamaica, if you love your country and you're passionate about your country, you stay connected. Keep close ties with your country, keep close ties with your island. Come here, see your family, see people, get things done, man. Can't say you love the place and you stay away from the place. We all know that our island is being colonized and we don't need glasses to see that. So what you do? You make sure you secure your piece of the rock at all costs. Make sure, and if you have something down here, make sure that you hold on to it. Don't be quick to sell out. We don't deal with that. We as Africans and we as African Jamaicans, we have to hold tight and stand firm, because very soon we are going to be the minority and we don't support that. Like our maroon ancestors did, they fought the British and they ended up signing a treaty, and as such we have to commemorate that and respect our ancestors and know what they fought for. And as such we carry on the mantle, carry on the lantern and hold firm and hold forward same way. So despite the crime and whatever, we're holding firm because this is our Jamaica. Blessed, Rasta blessed. Thank you for watching my vlog.